Page 229. It's another improvising and harmonizing and all kinds of stuff going on. There's two exercises here, but I'm going to cover them both here. Because you get to make up your own melody, and I can't help you a lot with that. Just use the chords or the notes in your melody that fit the chord, that fit the harmony, because they're giving you the harmony. The first one, 4 flats, we're in the key of F minor, and I'm guessing we're probably going to use the primary chords, but let's just check it. F minor. Third measure is a C7 with an E on the bottom, which is the 5-7 chord. Because the C7 is this, put the E on the bottom, leave it out there, we got it, 5-7 chord. And measure 6, we have a B flat minor with an F on the bottom. Well, B flat minor is that, with an F on the bottom. It's a 4 chord. Now imagine that, and then 5-7. So we're using the primary chords. Okay, so you just have a melody, and that's suggesting a rhythm, although you can use any rhythm you want. So at first you want to use notes that are primarily in this melody, or in this chord. You can have passing notes and neighbor notes and other notes. You don't have to just play these notes, but try something else. Here, and here. That's just a quick little melody. Don't copy my melody, make up your own. But the notes I'm playing are primarily the notes in the chord, whatever it is. I'm just adding a few little other notes in there as passerbys, whatever. Otherwise, all I end up playing are broken chords. Here. Those are just broken chords. They're giving you a suggested pattern here. This, make up your own. In the last measure, they're telling you to play an A flat or an F, an F. This is treble clef now. Whatever. For the second one, same thing, except now it's 2 sharp, so we're in the key of B minor. Because it's D major and B minor, and I'm guessing we're going to use here the 4 chord, the 1 chord, the 4 chord. The second line, you get a 5-7 chord in measure 6. So those are the chords you're going to use. And then you just got to find a melody. Don't copy my melody. I'm just basically playing broken chords. I'm just basically playing the broken chords. You can make them up a more interesting melody than that, I hope, with a little bit of practice. But we're just doing the chords along with it, just so you can hear it. In my mind, there's no real right or wrong. If it sounds okay, go with it. The other teachers may have other ideas, but that's good enough for me.